Hi everyone, long time no room tour. The last time I did room tour was when I was single. So today we are going to be touring my home personal room. I don't stay in there. It's just like a room in the house. Our apartment is like 3 bedroom flat and I have my own personal room. My husband has his. We usually sleep in his own room. And of course the last one we converted it to a sitting room. So basically my own personal room is what I'm going to be showing you all. You guys will compare my home personal room now to my room tour when I was single. If you're an OG on my channel, you already know what my room looks like. I love to have a cozy room and sort of like exactly what I have in my matrimonial home as well. I love my room. It's my personal space. Even though I am not used to the place, I literally just pray there, and should in case we have visitors stay in there. And of course I dress up there because I have my closet in there. Of course I dress up my baby there. So without further ado, let's just right into the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Enjoy. So upon opening my room, this is what you get to see. This is how my room looks like. I'm going to show you in details really quick. So this is my room. This is the door. This is the door we came in from. So let me put it locked. And then, so here is my baby and myself towel. This is an opening to the door to the bedroom. So this is my dusting basket. This is a laundry basket. This is my wig session. My baby's nightie here. My box over there. My baby's drugs. My baby's sort of like powder and things he dress up with. This are my clothes on the hanger. And also this is my baby's wardrobe. I really love this wardrobe. It is durable. It is over 2 years now and it's still standing very much. It has zip here and just open. If not for this white thing that is wearing off, can you see? It's actually still okay. I've washed this thing like once. So this is another corner. These are my mats. I have 2 of them. These are my baby's unsized clothes. These are my Ankara from my, what's it called, from my wedding box. My Ankara that I've not sewn. This are my sewing equipment. Can you see scissors over there? That is a broom over there. That is what I sweep my room with. And also here is my bag. I go out with this bag like often. I love this bag. And here is my machine oil at that corner. Here is my machine. I sew in my room, so that's why I cover this because of dust. That's my machine. And also these are stuff I got. I've not had time to unbox them. This is my mattress. These are my throw pillows. If you watch my previous room tour, that is the room tour I did when I was single and not married yet, you will be familiar with these 2 throw pillows. I think I talked about them in that video. So this is my mattress here. I told you earlier that I don't usually sleep here. This is like a personal room to me. Visitors sleep here often. And also I dress up here. I dress my baby up here. That's my baby's diaper. And yeah, that's my fan here. Those are my bags. You can see you can't find any Slim Mama bag. I dashed them all out because they are not containing my load. So why am I keeping them? Instead of waiting for the time to use them, I actually had to dash them out. So I do more of big bags. And here is another bag here. I do more of big bag. Like I said, this is my wardrobe. It's quite arranged, so we don't really need that side. This picture, I love it so much. It came with my cake. I think my surprise cake. My husband made a surprise cake for me 2 years ago. So this thing came with it. You can see it came with the cake. It was inside the cake like this. So since then I kept it sort of like a picture here. I love it. And up there I have stuff kept there as well. And over here, this is my box. This is my shoe rack. You can see my baby's shoes over here, and also mine. We currently share this shoe rack for now till I get his own personal one, or I get a better one for myself, and will this for him. So basically, that is all about my room tour. This is what my room looks like. So share with me in the comment section what you feel about my personal room. Let me know if it's actually okay as a married woman compared to my room tour when I was single. When I was single, I think I have my fridge in the room. It was a self-con back then, but this is just a single room. Since I don't usually use it, I'm just here to dress up, and that's all. That's basically what I do here. Dress up, clean the room often. You can see the room is okay. The bed is laid. Everything is in order. So let me know what you think about my room in the comment section. I can't wait to read from you. Don't forget to subscribe at this point. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.